In a magical forest, tucked away in a hidden glen, lived a little ghost named Boo. Boo was not like the other ghosts. He had a heart full of kindness and a gentle spirit. Every night, Boo would float around the forest, spreading love and laughter. He would play peek-a-boo with the trees, scare the crows and dance with the fireflies. One night, Boo noticed a little fox cub crying. The cub was lost and scared, far away from its home. Boo felt a pang in his heart and decided to help. With a twinkle in his eye, Boo floated down and asked the fox cub, "Why are you crying, little one?" The cub replied, "I'm lost and scared. I can't find my way home." Boo comforted the cub and promised to guide him back. Together, they floated through the forest, with Boo leading the way. They encountered many obstacles, but Boo's gentle spirit helped them overcome them. Finally, they arrived at the fox cub's home. The cub's family was overjoyed to see him safe and sound. Boo felt a warm glow in his heart, knowing he had made a difference. From that night on, Boo continued his nightly adventures, spreading love and helping those in need. The forest was a happier place because of Boo, and he was content knowing he could make a difference, one adventure at a time. Good night, little ones. Remember to be kind and help those in need, just like Boo. Sweet dreams.